In this program, we are going to find simple interest taking principal, rate and time as input. So first of all, I have already told you, divide the program into three main steps. The first is input. So in the input section, let us say I want to take input as principal, rate and time. So principal is equal to int, or you can say float if you want to take it into float, and input function prompting the user to enter principal. Now prompting the user to ask for rate. Rate is equal to float input enter rate. Similarly, taking time as input, time is equal to float input enter time in years. I'm assuming that it is in years and this is in percentage. So I am, let's say, providing that you enter in percent, enter this in years and principal in rupee. So after that you have to process it. In process, I'm going to use the formula to find simple interest. Let us say SI is equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. So we are going to calculate the simple interest and finally give output. The output would be the simple interest. So first prompting the user that your simple interest is equal to comma and SI, the variable, saving it with si.py. Now running it, giving the amount of principal in rupees, let's say 1000, rate as 10% and time as 1 year. So the simple interest would be 100 rupees.